Open the Tumbler Mockup folder. On the Add Graphic layer, double-click the Smart Object thumbnail. Drag and drop your file here. Resize to fit. Go to File, then Save, or press Ctrl and S at the same time to save. Your image is now inserted into the tumblers. To choose a background, double-click on the background Smart Object thumbnail. Simply choose which background you like, save, and close. To use your own background, double-click on the background Smart Object thumbnail. Simply drag and drop your background, resize to fit, and save. Enjoy and thank you for your support.